Hello dear friends. In the last video we were just beginning to discuss the differences between freehand drawings and engineering drawings. So I was just telling that a freehand drawing will not use any sort of accessories or instruments, but that doesn't mean that it won't be dimensionally accurate, but it depends upon imagination and intuition to a greater extent as compared to the requirement of instruments. So it depends upon the imagination and the ability to sketch without the use of any sort of aids. As you can see, engineering drawing involves so many accessories, so many instruments just to make it more dimensionally accurate, and it is more subjective in nature and it forms the basis of so many important calculations. So it's quite an important and serious field discipline which affects many things. Now, there is the concept of measurement in engineering drawing. Measurement is done with the help of a scale. Then scale has another meaning in engineering drawing. There is suppose a 1:5 scale. What do you mean by a 1:5 scale? That means an image which is smaller on paper will have a magnified representation actually. For instance, you can see this circle which is 0.5 centimeter radius, but it actually means 2.5 centimeter. The question is, what's the significance of scale? Firstly, very large figures cannot be drawn on a sheet. So on a sheet, we draw smaller figures, but it means a larger figure. Then such a scale is also a basis for presentations. When you make a presentation, you can easily convert a small 2D drawing to a bigger 3D drawing which is more photorealistic. So small 2D drawings act as input, while output is a big and photorealistic 3D image which is easier for the client to understand. Also, the issue of symbolism is there in 2D drawings. But before symbolism, let's come to elevation and plan. These are some of the very basic concepts. The front view of any object is called elevation, while its top view is called a plan. So as in the last video, I already touched the topic of sphere. So a sphere looks like a circle from the front. So the elevation of a sphere will be a circle. Similarly, mostly buildings will have a rectangle sort of an elevation, and the top view or the plan will be completely different. It will show the various sections of a building. Now come to symbolism in engineering drawing. Symbolism, for instance, every line has a different meaning. A straight line, an unbroken line represents something which is quite visible, while a dotted or a dashed line means something which is hidden behind. Okay, so we will continue with more such topics in our next videos. Thank you.